The next technique I'm about to show you will include many muscles, but would basically include all the lateral muscles of the thigh and the glute muscle, including the attachment of the hamstring on the ischial tuberosity. So we're going to start with using the joint to expose the muscle. So I'm bringing the hip in lateral rotation, and I'm just going to lean onto the lateral side of the hip, or I could start on the IT band. Okay, go anterior to the greater trochanter. Now from this position, you're going to bring the hip back to bring the muscle to you. You're on the glutes, and then just stay and reach below the ischial tuberosity to include the hamstring attachment. And you do this several times.